discuss the continuity of the function fx, that is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 at x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So we have to check the continuity of this function fx first at x equal to 1, then we will check the continuity of the function fx at x equal to 2. So we will check the continuity of the function in terms of limit, and in terms of limit you have to follow the following two steps. Number one is fx has to be defined at x equal to c, and number two step is limit of fx as x approaches to c will be equal to fc, or the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. So first check the continuity of the function at x equal to 1. The given function is fx is equal to x minus 1 plus x minus 2. At x equal to 1, you put x value is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0, plus if you put 1 here, 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, and modulus of minus 1 will be equal to plus 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1. So the function has defined at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, the function value of the function is equal to 1, so it is defined. And the second point is we have to find out the limit. First we have to find out the left hand limit, then we have to find out the right hand limit. For the left hand limit, the limit of fx as x approaches to 1 minus, that is equal to limit, the function is given x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus at x approaches to 1 minus. So here the value of x is slightly less than 1. So you substitute value of x as 1 minus h. H is a very small value which approaches to 0. So put x is equal to 1 minus h minus 1. Here also you put x is equal to 1 minus h minus 2. So 1 minus 1 0, h approaches to 0, so this term is equal to 0, and if h approaches to 0, this term will be equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, so modulus of minus 1, that is equal to plus 1. Now we will check the continuity of the function at x equal to 1 plus, or the right hand limit. This is your left hand limit and this is your right hand limit. So limit of fx as x approaches to 1 plus, the given function is 1 minus 1 modulus plus x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus, and x approaches to 1 plus. Since the value of x is slightly greater than 1, then we can substitute the value of x as 1 plus h. H is a very small value, approaches to 0. So you can put the value of x 1 plus h. So the function will be 1 plus h minus 1 plus 1 plus h minus 2. H approaches to 0. This value 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. H value is equal to 0. And here h value is equal to 0. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. And modulus of minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So you see the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and that is also equal to f of 1. That is why the given function fx is continuous at x equal to 1. Now let us check whether the function have continuity at x equal to 2. So let us check the continuity at x equal to 2. The given function is fx is equal to x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus. At x equal to 2, the function will be 2 minus 1, modulus of 2 minus 1 plus modulus of 2 minus 2. This will be equal to 0, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and modulus of 1 is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 2, the function f2 will be equal to 1. Now let us check the left hand limit at x equal to 2. Limit of fx at x approaches to 2 minus. Since it is left hand limit, we will take a value 2 minus. So the given function is limit x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus, x approaches to 2 minus. 2 minus means a value slightly less than 2. So you substitute a value 2 minus h in x. So the function will be 2 minus h minus 1, and here x minus 2 will be 2 minus h minus 2, and h value equal to 0 or approaches to 0 means here you substitute h value equal to 0. 2 minus 1, this is equal to 1, so modulus of 1 is equal to 1, and here 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, h is equal to 0. So the value of the function, left hand limit of the function is equal to 1. Now let us check the right hand limit of the function. What will be the right hand limit of the function? Limit of fx as x approaches to 2 plus, that is equal to limit of the function is given function is x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus, x approaches to 2 plus. So here the value of x is slightly greater than 2, so you substitute x value is equal to 2 plus h. So this function x minus 1 modulus will be equal to 2 plus h minus 1 modulus, and you substitute x is equal to 2 plus h. So 2 plus h minus 2, h approaches to 0. So this value will be equal to h is equal to 0, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, modulus of 1 is equal to 1, and this value 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, h is equal to 0. So the limit will be equal to 1. So the right hand limit of the function is equal to 1, and here the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit and also equal to the value of the function at x equal to 2, that is f2 also equal to 1. That is why the given function fx is equal to modulus of x minus 1 plus modulus of x minus 2 is continuous at x equal to 2. In the next video I will show you in graph the graph of the function fx is equal to x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus. I will plot the graph for the given function fx is equal to x minus 1 plus x minus 1 modulus plus x minus 2 modulus. Thank you.